Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. You need admin rights and a Windows edition that supports Bitlocker. Next, find your recovery key, check your Microsoft account, a printed key, a saved, TXT, a USB, or Active Directory. Once found, connect the encrypted drive and note its drive letter so you don't guess. Make sure Bitlocker is turned on for that volume by opening Control Panel or Settings. This confirms you're targeting the right device before attempting any unlock commands. Now unlock the drive. You can use Control Panel, Bitlocker Drive Encryption and select Unlock Drive, then enter your password or paste the numeric recovery key. Alternatively, open an elevated PowerShell or command prompt. Run Manage BDE Unlock E, Recovery Password Yorkie, substituting the drive letter and key. If your key is on a USB, choose Enter Recovery Key from a file in the GUI, or run Manage BDE Unlock E, RPF \recovery key, TXT. These methods accomplish the same unlock. Pick whichever you're comfortable with. Once the drive is unlocked, you can optionally suspend Bitlocker for maintenance or decrypt the volume if you want permanent access. Use Control Panel or Manage BDE Status, then Manage BDE Off E. Make sure to back up the recovery key again. If the unlock fails, check Event Viewer for Bitlocker errors and run Manage BDE Status to inspect protection status. As a key troubleshooting tip, if the recovery key is rejected, carefully retype every digit and try alternate stored copies, since a single wrong digit prevents unlocking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.